Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. As always, my name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona, and we're going to look at this guy right now. It's a 2016 Jayco Melbourne 24K. All right, we're not going to lollygag around too much right now. It is way too hot for me to be spending too much time outside. It's already 107. So this is on the Mercedes Sprinter 3500 chassis. It's got the V6 turbo diesel in it. Here's your exterior on the passenger side. Awning does come out a fair bit further, but obviously I can't put it out much further with this other RV here. Let's look at some of the outside components. We've got coax right there. A little bit extra caulking on that. Battery, LP genset 3600. Our tires, let's see if we can find ourselves a code. They are 215 85R 16s. I don't see a date code, we'll find it on another one. Got water heater, back of the fridge. It's not a full body paint coach, it is a decal coach. All your side decals look pretty good. The only ones that are a little rough that I've noticed are on the roof. Compartment right there. These do have lights, and we got a full pass-through right here. This is the double slide out, so we do have a rear slide out. I like this guy. Whoever owned this thing prior to us definitely took care of it. Got another engine air filter, front windshield cover, cabin filter. Very nice. He's even got a little towel rack in there, or clothes drying rack in there. It can hook onto this back area. 5,000 pound hitch. And then we do have an access to that compartment from the rear too. So you got 3 different accesses to the rear storage. .30 amp power serve. Oh, I'm sorry. This I got 50 amp. It is a single AC, but it's pre-wired for 50. That's kind of nice. That being said, that says it's capable of 50, but it is a 30 amp connection still. Jesus, way to confuse me. Dump station. Oh look, he even has it when he replaced the filter. Very nice. Low point drains, outdoor shower, water pumps, lights, all types of fun stuff. All right, date code on this tire? No. Dump station. And then, last but not least, propane tank. 12.2 gallons right there. This is a 2016, so you do have DEF. You got diesel fuel right there, DEF under the hood. Now it is a full-on Class C technically too, even though it is a diesel. We got the big overhead bunk. This is that front decal I was telling you about. See some cracking up there. That's really about it. I mean, even the front one, even the Jayco symbol looks pretty good. Told you that'd be quick. Let's jump inside. All right, we got one exterior step that comes out. A couple more in. Right to the left, we got a whole bunch of stuff. Power controls, power step controls, awning in and out. It looks like it's got a weather system. It's like leveling chair. I have to figure out what that is. Ooh, it's hot. All right. So up front, standard 3500 cab. Seats do turn. Seats are leather, and they're actually in really good condition for a 16. Sorry about the sun, probably hard to see. Overhead bunk is for, like I said, a Class C. This piece right here is your filler. Nice and solid. Ladder just to the left. Furion 32-inch TV is also on a mount, so you can angle that back, bring it out closer, whatever you want to do. And then, right above the entry door, I love this massive window you get at the entry. We got a little bit of storage up above that. There is a little pop-up leaf right here next to the counter. And then we got your kitchen. Pretty standard kitchen. Everything is on the passenger side, which is nice. Peel and stick backsplash. Standard style shades. 2-burner gas Suburban stovetop. High point convection microwave. And then some storage. And some easy reading material. Look how far those come out. That's quite nice. And then, not as deep, but decent amount of storage right there. Oh man, did I show you the sink? I think I showed you the sink. We'll show you the sink again if I didn't. There you go. Single sink. With an extension. Nice little faucet. While we're here, selling this coach for $69,995. You see we got, should be a little bit over that, 61,000 miles, 25 foot long overall. Not one option, not many options available for this coach. There's your option list. This thing doesn't have any of them, but there's some of your tank sizes, specs. And then of course, floor plan. Get that out of here. If you have any questions on all that, or you want to see a little bit more info, I'll put all my contact info on the screen. Call me, text me, let me know how I can help. All right, the rest of the kitchen, a little bit of overhead storage. Oh, that's nice and solid. And your outlet for your microwave. Nord cold 3-way fridge and freezer. And we got more to look at, but we're gonna pause right there and we're gonna flip her around. In the slide out, your first slide out is the couch. It looks to be about 24 inches deep. This is a jackknife sofa. You can see it does have some seat belts in there. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. All right, I'll let you guys watch me do this shenanigans. Angle this. So I'm trying to show you. Oh my gosh, here we go. Apparently it's got one of those too. But under here, there's a good amount of storage. And as you can see, I just did it again. But that's set up for a jackknife sleeping area. Okay, I was having a little bit of difficulty trying to show you the storage under this couch. I did find out, nice little drop-down cup holder right there. It's a jackknife sofa, so it will lift up and lay flat, but under the couch, you do have a good amount of storage. And then you just lift up, and it will lay flat on its own. Above the couch, 3 storage compartments, all connected. 72.6 hours on the generator. Level testers, water pump, AC, and your slide control for the couch. Now, moving on into the bathroom, bedroom, whatever you want to call it, we do have an accordion style door that will act as a separator. Fit it in the hole correctly, right there. Let's see if we can get this. Oh baby, there we go. All right, so you got that separator. We got the fridge on the left, bathroom on the right. Little plastic raised pedestal toilet, window in here, little fan in here. I got it on getting out the hot air. And then your shower pan. One thing I like about this, it's a little bit smaller pan, but up top, if you put a little curtain in here, you can expand it out to give you a little bit more shoulder room. Kind of nice. All right, vanity on the outside of the toilet. Kind of like it, honestly, with some storage under there. Little plastic vanity, nothing too crazy, with a very basic medicine cabinet. Now, what's cool about this coach is we got a little wardrobe back there to the left, but we got a big wardrobe right here. And on top of that, massive drawers. 2 of the same size, and then this bottom one is much, much bigger. Bedroom is a rear slide bed, so you know how this works. The slide comes in, bed flips over itself like that, slide comes in, good to go. Just stand in the corner here. There's nothing on the driver's side corner of the bedroom, so you're not missing anything. And then here's that wardrobe. Nice. And here is some extra storage. You could use this as a wardrobe. It looks like they decided to put some extra shelving in here because the wardrobe in it is pretty big already. Ooh. And there's your outlet right there. Do we have one on the passenger side? Look at that, we do. What the heck is that thing? Progressive Industry. I don't know what that is. If you guys know what that is, let me know in the comments down below. And some more storage up top. There you go. All right. This coach was pretty dead. Let me see if I got enough battery power to get these slides in. If so, we'll show you that. All right, we did have enough power to get these slides in. So first up, the couch slide. Really, the only thing changes is the space in the galley area. You don't lose anything. There's no TVs that get covered, nothing like that. All your controls are still available. And then the rear slide's a little bit different. As you can see, I mean, you lose your walkability. You can't even get by unless you jump across. Sleeping in here may be difficult. Oh, I forgot to mention there's another door in here too, to give you a little bit of separation in the bedroom. So bedroom, you know how I feel about those kind of rear slide outs in the folding bed. They're not my favorite because they are not usable while you're traveling. But if that's not a necessity for you, no big deal. Oh my gosh, I forgot to close all the exterior compartments. Hold on here. All right, so here is the passenger side with everything closed off and shut. This guy added whatever this thing is here. Maybe just for extra storage. Oh, extra storage right there, kind of nice. And then that clothes rack hangs on those 2 bars. So if you guys have any questions on this coach, I'll put my contact info on the screen again. Reach out, let me know how I can help. I can send you a Carfax on this unit. Overall, for a 16, for being, what is that, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 model years old already, it's really not in bad condition. I just walked by, noticed a small little dent right here. That's the extent on the body. So thank you so much for viewing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.